Hello, everybody! 안녕하십니까, sa inyong tanan! Ni hao mo, shimosha shite samdata dahimashita wa ni shashe, so walikapin ko pamakap namaste. Welcome once again to One World Reacts, when we talk and we react to things PLGL, LGBT plus related, with us in special K-pop, B-pop, and C-pop here and there. And whether y'all watching this either on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back with Singing the Hat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest and latest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 2 of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the first episode, we've got to meet Jarrett, Jin, Jack, and Thomas. Now, Jack and Thomas are competing together on Mr. Universal Philippines, or Mr. Universal Philippines, whatever it is. It is a national competition. Okay, it's a national competition for hot men, which aligns to the identity of Oxen Films, hot men and dirty plotline. And Jack is a breadwinner also in the family who does pageantry for a living, and is managed by I can't remember the manager. It's Dolly or something. I can't remember, but yeah, he is managed by that manager, who apparently that manager is very corrupt, very fucked up, and very shitty as hell, especially when it comes to being racist and a bit of a body shape towards the other contestants. Meanwhile, Jin and Jarrett got to meet in a house, or in someone's house. I believe it's Jin's house, because Jarrett's best friend, who is also, or who is a makeup artist, got invited to Jin's mother's pageant, in which Jin's mother's pageant is Mr. Universe. So they get to work on there until some shenanigans happen. Jarrett got to see Jin's dick, but that's just it. Okay, that's just it. We left off on the last episode with them being at Mr. Universe, and Jack got to win the competition. Thomas was very happy about it, except for 2 contestants who had been hating him from the very beginning. So that's all of the premise that I got from the first episode. It was enjoyable though. It was enjoyable, and not the best, not the greatest, but you know what? We're gonna have a really, really good time in this series. So we'll see how things will go in this episode. So, we're not patagalin. I'm excited. I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. This, once again, episode 2 of Sashes and Hearts.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Universe Royale Philippines is Mr. Tabla.
Mr. Universe Royale.
There you have it. Thank you everyone for watching. Good night and God bless us all.
Tangin na nahulog oh. Parang ka naman tatanga-tanga. Tigyan mo, nanalo ka pero nahulog ka dito. Kawawa ka naman.
Deserve. Alam mo, Vince, kahit di mo naman sabihin sa akin, alam ko ikaw yung nagtago ng trunks ko eh.
Ha? Ang tago?
Pero huwag ka mag-alala. Sa atin lang yun ha, walang makakalabas.
Bro, gusto ko yung nangyari sa yung kahihiyan. Pero, magagawa yun. I don't play that dirty, bro.
Sabi mo yan eh.
Pero, yun nga, deserve mo yan. Deserve mo yung crown. Pero, deserve mo din mapahiya.
Kaya mo na. Mukha naman tayo.
Anyway,
Mukha rin kayong tanga.
congrats again. Galingan mo
Mga
sa
pakshit
universe.
kayo.
Sige, ingat ha.
Tara na.
Ingat kayo, pre ha.
As if they're the hottest men in the Philippines. As if... My God. Mga lalaki talaga. This freaking man. Most especially the gays, yeah, including me as well. I'm including myself.
Grabe no, yung napuntahan natin ngayon, parang first time ko maranasan yun. Madam, thank you talaga sa pagsama sa amin dito, magkapatid ah.
Of course, talaga naman dapat makanood yung mga future candidates.
Ay, bongga.
Right, they got invited.
Speaking of, nasan nga ba yung anak ko?
Ay, di ko alam. Atan ba?
They got invited to
Jin po.
compete.
Hindi ko na po siya namalayan kanina sa tabi ko simula nung bago pa i-announce yung winner.
Pinayot lang yun.
Alright. Pero di ba you're coming home with Bipa to get your things?
Apa. Kukunin po namin.
Sige, antayin lang natin. Padating na yung Rolls Royce.
Roro.
Anong pwede?
Roro lang ang alam ko. Yun ang
Roro. Roro is like a big ship.
Kami nun ah.
Yeah,
It's like
diba? Winner!
a transportation ship here in the Philippines. That's how we call it, Roro.
Uy, ate! Nakakaya ka.
Winner!
And by the way, it's just
Nakaka-stress na, ha? Ang gulo-gulo nila kausap. No,
it's just
no,
one
no,
jeepney
Enrico.
ride for us to travel to
Kung ayaw nilang
Roro.
sumunod sa pinag-usapan,
It's still a bit far
terminate the contract.
from my home.
May pangil din pala to si Madam, no?
Oo, paano nga pala kayo uuwi?
Madam, baka naman may jeep pa dyan. O ano.
No, nonsense. Ipapahatid ko kayo sa driver.
Thank you po. Thank you po, madam.
Sure.
Thank you, Madam.
Sure. Sige.
Kunin ko
niyo na
lang po yung mga gamit namin,
Kunin niyo na
Madam.
yung mga gamit niyo. Go
Salamat
ahead,
po.
ah. I need to take my beauty rest. Bye.
Not a beauty rest.
Yung tapos to. Huy! Okay ka lang?
Kinakabahan ako, ate.
Bakit ka kinakabahan? Kaya ka nga i-rehearse ni Madam, di ba? At saka, maswerte na lang tayo, Jared. Kasi, isipin mo, tutulungan tayo ni Madam. Ipaparehearse ka pa niya. At saka, maganda dun, ano na siya, experience judge na siya. Kaya, may chance na tayo. Di ba? Oh, ano? May-smile ka na. Kasi nahihina ako eh. Hawakan mo muna to. Ihihina ako, diyan ka lang. Ko sa may body.
Not the blathering.
Ba't may alak dito? Ay,
Uh-oh.
ano to? Ba't parang malambot?
Oh, it's here.
Na tumitigas?
Not Gio under...
Uy!
Not Gio under the table. Or Jin. Why is he there? Why is he under the table? Sir.
Na yung pangatlo.
Sir, what are you doing under the
Bakit ka
table?
naman nandyan? Ako
Hey.
ko nang galing party. Teka,
In, under the table, really?
bahay ko. Di mo ba nakikita? Ginawa namin ng makeup si Madam. Lasing ka talaga. Bakit? Parang feeling ko...
No! 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 Excuse me.
Pwede pa. Ikaw kang masyadong sumero.
Okay na ba yan, Jared?
Ay, ate.
Uy! Nandito. Nandiyan ka pala, Jin. Para kang lasing. Lasing ba yan?
Drunk like a
Sana
gin.
tama eh.
Kaya mo na.
Lakas
pagpahinga
tama.
na, Kasi alis na tayo. Baka maiwan tayo ng ano. Wala na. Uwi na kami ha. Hindi ka na. Oo na nga.
Alam mo, Jack,
Kahit itanggi niya pa yon, sure ako 100% si Vince yung nanabotahe sa'yo, no?
Eh, seryoso ko nga siyang tinanong kanina. Sabi ko pa na hindi ko siya susumbong. Pero dininay niya pa rin eh.
Alam mo, Jack, may mga tao talagang manloloko at mapanlamang. Nanganak ka ba kahapon, Bes?
Eh, ikaw, Tomas. Ano masasabi mo?
Thomas?
Alam mo yung gumawa ng...
It's not Thomas, it's Tomas.
Secure lang sa'yo.
Tama.
Nadami kasi chicks mo. Sabi mo,
Eh.
bro.
Aha.
Congratulations, Mr. Tarlac, or should I say, Mr. Philippines.
Hindi po.
Grabe yung swimsuit round mo, ah. Pero, ano ba nangyari dun talaga?
Ay, naku,
Actually,
si
like his
Lemuel, may
swimsuit.
nanabutahe.
Buti na lang
Lemuel,
po.
Sir Lemuel.
Nakagawa siya ng
Not
paraan.
Dolly.
Grabe naman yung puso ng tao na yun. Nasabotahe ka? Grabe naman yung gumawa nun. Parang walang puso. Pero alam mo ba, Jack? Proud na proud ako sa'yo. Sobrang layo na narating mo.
Hindi po.
Naalala ko nung kakadiscover ko pa lang sa'yo. Ang pangit mo pa noon.
Excuse
Yung
me.
mo sobrang sarat. Buti na lang napakilala kita sa magaling na doktor. But look at you now. Without me, you're nothing, right?
I cannot with the body shaming.
Ang galing-galing kong manager, di ba?
Oo po.
Ang galing ko talaga.
And it's prevalent in pageantry. The body shaming. Like you have to work on your nose, your lips, your abs, your eyes, just to be perfect in everyone's eyes in the industry standards. It's just not it. Rest well, bestie.
Bes! Finally, Jack Colado, Mr. Universe Royal Philippines.
I cannot with that name though, Jack Colado.
Congratulations, Bes, ha? Tagal mong pangarap yan, Bes. Ngayon, ikaw na yan. Wala nang iba.
Mga best.
Proud na proud ako sa'yo.
It's like this in
Pero-
English.
Wala kang to lahat. Kung wala ka.
Ay.
Naku, baka nga makalimutan mo na ako eh. Ay, teka, mag-selfie tayo. Para sabihin mo sa mga fans mo na ako yung #1 best friend mo, okay?
Sige.
Ako lang yan ha, wala nang iba. Promise?
Oh. That's what you call supportive best friend / manager.
Ano na?
Gays
Sige,
Alliance.
magpahinga ka na. Nagugutom ka ba?
Oo. Gusto mo?
Gusto mo ba yung paborito mong kanton? Mahilig ka talaga sa kanton eh. Ang flavor?
Spicy na lang.
Spicy. Okay, tutuan kita. Sige na, mag-bis ka na dun.
Kanton tayo ah.
Kanton tayo?
Kanton yung kakainin natin.
Oo nga, kanton. Sige na, mag-bis ka na dun. Ingatan mo yan ha. Sige na.
There's another dirty joke about Pancit Canton. Canton is like, ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. Yeah. Gar, you, find the room.
Kayad na ako sa'yo, Ligwell. At yun na din ang muling araw na gagamitin mo ako.
Thomas, huwag tayong maglokohan dito. Alam natin pareho na gusto mo rin yung ginawa mo kasi gusto mo ikaw ang manalo.
Ah, really? And the fact that they might end up being together.
Gusto yung napilitan? Pilitan sa utos mo? Kaibigan ko si Jack? Sama mo?
Thomas, hindi ako pinanganak kahapon. Akala mo ba hindi ko nakikita yung mga nakaw tingin mo kay Jack? Alam kong may gusto ka sa kanya. Bistado ka na.
Not Lemuel. Lemuel and his manipulative ass.
Hanggang nabubuhay ako. Pagbabayaran mo ang utang na loob mo sa akin.
Oh no.
Hindi natatapos yun, Thomas. Ano kayang gagawin ni Jack kapag malaman niya na ikaw ang nagsabotahe sa kanya? Oh, maituturing ka pa kaya niyang kaibigan, ha, Thomas?
I get that with his gaslighting 101. Okay, Lemuel. Okay.
masama ako. At lagi mong tandaan yan.
Oh, karma will eat you back, bitch. It won't be soon enough, Lemuel. It won't be soon enough. It won't be soon enough until things bite you in the ass. Okay? Until it bites you in the ass. You're gonna pay for your crimes, Lemuel.
Preparation
I just know.
is everything, boys. Auditions na in a few days. And we have to make sure na angat kayo sa lahat. And now Cheesy will show you
Hi, Cheesy.
how to introduce yourselves on stage. Go, Cheesy!
Again, I forgot.
Muna tayo dyan.
Apologies if I forgot their names.
Oh my God.
I'll get used to them.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cheesy Liwanag, 18 Philippines!
I mean, she doesn't look like 18, but okay.
Nakita niyo yon? Mali yun.
I knew it.
No, ang ibig kong sabihin, okay yon kapag female pageants. Pero sa MURPH, dapat masculine. You have to look confident, okay? Jared, try mo nga. Go!
I see.
Kaya mo yan, brother. Go.
Jared, Adam Liwanag, Manila.
Manila.
Ano ba yan, Jared?
Manila.
You have to look confident. Ang mga mata mo dapat nakatingin sa judges, hindi sa feet.
True.
One more time.
Jared, Adam Liwanag, Manila.
Okay. Better.
Better. But we still have to work on that.
Dapat make it louder and you have to use your hands. Like this.
Madam, ganun. Ang galing. Ang galing mo naman, madam. Sorry po, madam. Hindi, nadala ako eh. Muntik akong malagdag sa Ferris wheel. Ay, sa, fountain.
Ferris wheel? What's with the Ferris wheel?
Again.
Jared, Adam Liwanag, Manila!
Ay.
Bakit
Ay.
mo naman pinayok?
Ay.
Georgino? Huwag mo na siyang tawanan.
Georgino?
Georgino? Georgino ang pangalan mo?
Bakit? Napapangitan ka ba sa Georgino?
It's...
Pangalan ng tatay ko yun.
Ito naman kasi, tumawa ka pa.
Sorry, ma'am. It sounded like Georgina. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Stones na yan, nilagay dyan for extra challenge para masanay kayong mag-walk on rough surface.
Ang ganda talaga ni madam.
I mean, I can see it.
Madam, may bonus ako sa'yo mamaya, madam, kasi tinawag kita maganda. Tsaka maganda ka naman talaga. Sige, madam, sila naman ang gagawa.
I mean, she does. She's gorgeous.
Tingnan mo, baby brother.
Come on! Come on!
Ayan, ay. Ano ba yan?
Jill looks so stiff.
Ikot!
Jill looks so stiff. Oh my God.
Balik!
Ay, nako, boys, hindi kayo soldiers. Be more graceful.
Ano ba naman? Ang dali-dali na lang ng koryo. Alam nyo na yun eh. 5, 6, 7, 8, rampa!
How do they even know the choreo?
Ganyan! Baby brother, tigasan mo naman! Ako nga tomboy, lumambot na oh! Tigasan, tigas na oh! Tigas pa! Hindi, tigas ang alak mo! Sige, balik! Isa pa! Last na!
Come on!
Tigas!
You're doing better, boys! You're doing better!
Sige, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Rampa! Yun, perfect!
That's more like it!
Brother ko yan, madam.
Yeah, winner!
Winner talaga! Turn around!
Chest out! Chest out.
Wapo na kapatid ko, madam. Ay, sorry, madam. Sorry. 482! 483!
484!
Listen, boys. Your body is a canvas. It's an opportunity to make beautiful art by doing 500 squats every day.
Every day,
That's for your
500 squats.
butt. Para maging firm.
Ano? Kaya mo pa ba? Ako pa.
Kaya pa.
Kaya mo pa? Ba, gusto mo subukan kita? Ano?
Is it?
Okay lang. Continue lang, guys. Jared, continue lang. Go. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan! Hindi ka, bumaba ka pa! Ayan! Kunting, lakasan mo pa yung ano mo!
Yes.
Yung tuhod mo! Kailangan para kay sundalo! 480! 492! 493! 494!
Yep.
Teka lang ba naman? Hindi na pa ako nauuhaw eh. Bilang ako ng bilang, di ko na alam yung binibilang ko eh.
What's with the
Continue, boys. Continue.
big sound?
Hold it. Hold it.
Ay, 400 na ako.
What's with the big sound?
Pero, madam, gusto mo, madam. Busin ko na to. Wow na ako eh.
Sige lang. Go. Hold it.
Nasa na ba tayo?
500!
Ay, 500 na ba? Oh, madam! 500 na nga, sabi ko eh. Sabi ko naman 500 na eh.
Jared.
Sorry, baby brother.
You have abs pala, ha? Nag-workout ka ba? Jin, come on. Come on, son. Feel his abs.
Ha?
Kali ka na. Nako.
Ha?
Feel
Mother?
abs niya.
Mother, what is this?
Matigas, di ba?
Why does she need to touch his
Hindi matigas eh. Parang may iba pang matigas so, sa kapatid ko.
You're so naughty.
Sinabi ko lang, madam. Naninigas na ako.
Oxen and their dirty ass scripts. That's their branding. And it really lines up my alley sometimes.
Lahat? Makita na naman tayo ni Ate Divine. Sisingilin na naman yung renta natin.
What the rent?
Oh, kamusta ka?
Ayun. Nakakapagod pala ate, no? Akala ko, ngingiti-ngiti lang dun. Hindi pala.
Ay, oo naman. So, ano? Yan ka pa ba?
Ate, oo naman. Para sa atin na rin to. Tsaka, kakapalan ko rin mukha ko. Isasamon ko ang aking inner cheesy.
Yay!
Parang sinabi mo na makapal mukha ako, ah.
Eh, bakit hindi ba? Dapat ma-proud ka.
Paano pag nanalo ka?
Yun nga ang goal, ate. Ang manalo. Kaya, gagalingan ko para sa atin.
Pero, kailangan mo muna mag-training ng pang-international.
Oo nga, ate. Pero okay lang kahit gagawin ko yun, kahit mag-stop ako sa pag-aaral ko. Kasi for sure, papasa naman ako sa second sem eh. Ngayon, susugal muna ako para sa atin. Para sa salon.
That's sad
Wala
though.
kasing duda, baby brother. Narinig mo ba?
That's just how it is.
May iba kang narinig? Anong narinig mo, ate?
Ayan, narinig mo na ba? Feel the sounds. Kasi nanalo ka.
Oh.
Baby brother.
Baby brother. Oh.
Thank you, ate, ah. Maraming salamat sa suporta.
Talaga naman. Siyempre, ikaw ang Mr. Manila ko. Woo!
Yeah.
Super saya dito, no?
Yeah, very happy.
Who is here? The pride of the Philippines. Correct. Jack, alam mo ba na ang dami mo ng fans? At ang sabi nila, ikaw daw ang best candidate. Wow! Best candidate! Deserve mo yan, bestie! Oo nga, alam mo, this moment deserves a toast. So, halika, kumuha tayo ng alak.
Let's go, guys.
Oo. Wow! Jack! For Jack!
Lemuel!
Oh!
Nasaan na yung 100k ko?
Ano akala mo sa akin, ha? ATM? Ha?
Yung binayad ko sa'yo para manalo.
Oh! Not the payments. Anyways, let's go to the next part.
Lemuel! Lemuel!
Ano?
Nasaan na yung 100k ko?
Ano akala mo sa akin, ha? ATM? Ha?
Yung binayad ko sa'yo para manalo.
Ano ka ba? Ginawa ko naman lahat, diba?
Nakakaya ka! May scandal ka!
Pwede kang ma-disqualify. Ito. Ano to? Yun yung mga itatanong ng judges mamaya. Di ba binigay ko yung questionnaire na mali kay Jack? Pero wala na akong magagawa doon.
Hindi yun ang napag-usapan natin.
Ano gusto mo mangyari, ha? Ha? Nagawa ako ng milagro? Kasalanan ko ba?
Tandaan mo, pagbabayaran mo to.
Ano, tinatakot mo ako? Ha? Mayaman ka naman. Bakit naman di ka nalang sumali sa ibang pageant? Ha?
Is he that rich? Lemuel is never to be trusted in our lifeline.
Magkano ang alaga mo? At saka ducks ba yan?
Kalma lang, dear.
Baka pwede ko munang mag-try.
Hindi live selling to. So basta to. So, taasan mo ang bid mo para makuha mo ang prize.
Hoy, pero dapat makaisa ako bago mag-international.
Ew.
Kasi baka manalo ulit yan at tumaas ang rate. Ay, nakakaloka.
Akong bahala sa'yo.
Ew. I mean, ew. I'm getting sold to other people.
Pare! Diba? Mamaya na yan. Let's party!
This man's in trouble. He's gonna be exploited and extorted. Oh, brother. This fucking gay.
Anong ginagawa mo? Kinakain ko kuko ko. Sarap kaya? Yak.
Ew.
Hoy, makayak naman to. Joke lang, syempre. Kinakabahan ako. Obvious ba?
Kinakabahan ka? Tatayo ka lang naman dyan eh. Hingiti, maglalakad. Audition pa lang to.
Wow! Iba talaga yung confidence ng mga mayayaman, no?
Nagwapo nila, madam po.
Yeah, mga gwapo. But, syempre, yung anak ko yung pinakagwapo.
Tama naman. Pero yun, ang gwapo rin. Pogi rin naman yung kapatid ko, madam.
Dali lang naman talaga to eh. Kabahan ka sa actual competition. Like, what are you going to say if they're going to ask you about social issues? How about your advocacy? What if, how technology addiction affects the youth?
I like his English accent though. I like his
The
accent.
treatment of addiction, whether it is or involves nicotine, alcohol, or even gadgets are the same.
Okay. Okay, Q&A
These
practice.
things spikes the dopamine production of our brains, which is good to our mental health. You know,
Okay.
to quote Shakespeare, as you like it,
Okay, Q&A.
why then can one desire too much to a good thing? Self-control is the key. Kahit mayaman ka na o mahusay ka, hindi pa rin dyan nakabase kung mananalo ka sa patimpalak na ito.
Unless there's some connections going on, Jared.
To the audition for the new edition ng Aces of Kings. So,
Hi, Direk.
All right, let's start. First,
It's so exciting, no?
I'm so excited too, madam.
I can't wait!
Okay, can you please tell us your name?
Madam, ang sarap pitik-pitikin ng ano.
Good day, everyone. My name is Elquinho Darren Fuchs, 20 years old, representing Taguig City.
Ano pong lahi nyo?
Netherlands, Austria, Indonesia, and Filipino.
Multinational.
Bakit ka sasali sa pageant na ito?
Multinational,
Because I want to encourage all people na naniniwala sa akin na
Oh, it's
kaya
just
nila na
very
hindi
small.
nila kaya.
Like it.
Kaya papatunayan ko na kaya ko sabihin, kaya rin nila.
Ano pa ba yung may ibang kakayanin mo?
Okay,
Lahat
Chess.
ng kakayanin.
Lahat talaga?
Yes.
As in?
Next!
Okay.
I am Tomas de la Cruz, 22, from Bulacan.
Ay, ayun! Mas ko yan, madam!
Talaga, ganyan ba yung mga type mo, Cheesy?
Hard!
Okay, so as the first runner-up sa Mr. Universe Royal Philippines, bakit ka sasali ngayon sa Aces of Kings?
Para po bumawi and to inspire people and to show my purpose.
Ano po ba yung purpose mo?
He really needs to work on how he speaks,
Na
though.
makapag-inspire po ng youth po.
Youth?
As...
Opo, youth.
Youth?
Youth. The youth.
Youth.
Na-realize ko po kasi na may mga bagay ako na hindi ko nagawa before. So, nandito ulit ako ngayon para mas galingan pa at para mas mapatunayan sa bayan ng Laguna na karapat-dapat akong manalo.
Okay, next.
What?
Wala pa.
Okay
Wala pa
na,
po.
next
Wala
na,
pa.
next
Ay,
na.
Next na po.
Okay.
Ew.
Di na po kailangan.
Di na, okay na.
Nice,
Kilala
sige
ka
po.
na namin.
Oh my God. Sa tingin niyo ba? Mapepper talaga.
Thank you. Alright.
That did we call this pepper? Oh my god. It looks good.
Brother, ano ginawa mo?
I cannot with you, Jin.
Okay, brother.
Introduce yourself.
Jared Adam Liwanag, Manila.
Parang may kamukha to eh. Alam mo yung si Bright?
Oo.
Sa Thailand, yung sikat na sa BL.
Parang bright na may lagnat.
Brother, parang ka Barbie dyan.
He doesn't look like Bright, though.
You know,
I will say
it's
direct, he
just
doesn't look like him. I'm gonna be honest.
Auditions ngayon. True. Pero hindi pa naman tapos. Mali
I cannot with direct.
Ayan na. Next na yung anak ko. Oh my gosh.
Alright, next.
Ikaw na daw next.
Ew. Well,
Iho, alam mo ba yung sinasalihan mo? Ay, hindi to Pampers commercial, ah.
oh my god.
Akala niya Pampers commercial, kaya may basa. Kinakabahan ka ba or what?
Oh my gosh. Georgina, what happened to you?
Madam, laki na ng anak mo, umiihi pa rin.
Oo nga eh. Akala ko, you've stopped doing
Oh my
this
God.
since you were 12.
Oh my
That,
God.
that the sun shaming. He just got his water spilled.
Pinayaan niya ako sa napakaraming tao. Sino ba siya? Pasalamat nga siya.
Bait-bait ko na. Kung masama lang ang ugali ko, binuhos ko na sa kanya isang pitchel. Alam mo, pinatig niya ako kanina. Wala naman akong ginagawa sa kanya. Ano yun?
Stupid! Ginawa niya ako
Napaka-
parang tanga. Malay ko ba na scholar siya? Kaya pala...
Yabang! Ang yabang-yabang niya. Sobrang nakilalang mayaman ate. Hindi naman ganun.
Enemies to lovers.
Puro siya.
Arte. Hindi ko na siya kaya. Ang sarap niyong murahin. Po!
Kunin ko na lang kaya tong hair ko. Para naman, it's time to my short hair era.
Ay! Ate, nakikinig ka ba? Tingnan mo, nagre-rant ako dito.
Nakikinig ako. Alam mo, Jared, pagpasensyahan mo na lang kasi. Alam mo naman si Madam, di ba? Ang bait-bait kaya sa atin ni Madam.
Sabagay, pero sama ng ugali niya. Kala mo naman, sobrang gwapo.
So, gwapo lang siya. Baka mamaya inis-inisan ka sa kanya, pero...
Ako ate.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Nyari ka pa. Hindi ko na sige naman.
Ate!
Kaya na ako maging kalbo.
Ate! Pasok ako!
Pasok saan?
Pasok ako sa pageant. Natanggap ako sa audition.
Pasok ka?
Oo.
Congrats, baby brother!
Yay!
I'm so excited. Magpuputol talaga ako ng hair.
At makakabayad na tayo ng utang.
Yes!
I'm so proud of you, anak. Cheers!
By the way, the OST for the series slaps. The opening, the ballad, it's giving!
Hirap pala bro, no?
They can catch up with GMMTV and Dumont Deep.
Kala ko pagkatapos ng pageant, madali na lang.
Ito kasi, huwag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo.
Pa kasi sa international bro, isipin mo, ba't ibang bansa kalaban mo? Malalakas.
Alam ko naman. 5 years na din ako nagpa-pageant. Tsaka marami na din akong nakasamang candidates. Huwag na lang masyadong isipin. Tsaka may dahilan naman din bakit gusto ko ng mga judges, lalo na ng mga tao. Hindi ko sinasabi to dahil kaibigan kita.
Dwayne needs to work on how he speaks, I swear. Not in his acting, okay? But like, on the pageant itself.
Ingat ka.
Kaya,
you have to contemplate on what you want to do.
Baka nakakalimutan
Thomas.
Utang ka pa sa akin. Ha, Thomas?
Kung mag-alala, mamaya gagawin ko.
Ano kayang gagawin ni Jack kapag malaman niya na ikaw ang nagsabotahe sa kanya?
We will see though.
O Bes, tulala ka na naman sa dami ng event. Kaya mo pa.
Kaya?
Anong problema?
Wala.
Sa akin ka pa talaga maglilihim. Sino yan? Mag-iingat ka daw? Naku, hater mo lang yan. Huwag mo nang pansinin.
Gets ko naman. Pero iba yung pakiramdam ko eh. Sa party ni Sir Limuel.
Oh,
So?
He feels icky!
So, isa siya sa nagbabanta sa akin.
Napakadaming tao sa party. Fans, judges, sponsors. Hindi porket feeling mo nakasupport sila sa'yo pagkakatiwalaan mo na.
Actually, right?
Kaming mga taong laging lang nandyan sa'yo ang pagkakatiwalaan mo, okay?
Yeah, I can trust him for now. Ay.
Oh, sino na naman yan? Siya na naman ba yan?
Hindi. Si tita. Puputulan na naman daw sila ng kuryente.
O bakit? Di mo pa ba nakuha yung prize mo?
Alright.
O yung TF mo kay Sir Limuel, nakuha mo na.
Ay! He hasn't gotten anything yet.
Di ba ang usapan yung prize muna?
If he didn't get it, oh my god. Lemuel! That is a bit obvious if he really get it. I go. Anyways, let's continue. Wait, are we still recording though? I'm just checking if like we are still. Anyway, last part.
Ingat ka mamaya. Baka madulas ka na naman
Or ano? Bakit ba lagi mo ako pinagtitripan?
Nakakatawa ka kasi. You make it easy.
Alam kong hindi mo sineseryoso tong pageant, Jean. Kailangan ko to. Itong pageant na to, hindi lang to laro sa akin katulad ng ginagawa mo, okay?
Kaya please lang, tigil-tigilan mo na ako.
Chill ka lang. Masyado kang seryoso eh.
Oh, Jean, Mr. Pangasinan, halika, retouch kita.
Hi. I'm Francis.
Hi, Francis.
Jared.
Parang ang lamig ng kamay mo ah. Kinakabahan ka ba? Gusto mo bang water?
Ay, hindi. Okay lang po ako.
Pero ganito na lang. Kapag gusto mo ng water, tawagin mo lang ako. Ha?
Okay.
Actually, bakit? Parang nagugutom ako eh. Ang asim, amoy paksiw. Sa atin ba yun?
Wala naman ako naaamoy.
Ay nun, lakas oh. Mas lalo ako nagugutom.
Wala? Ano naamoy mo?
Or maybe he smells like...
Oo nga, mukhang hindi nga paksiw.
Wala ako naaamoy.
It's the body odor, right? Oh, that's a turn off. Or that's already a turn off.
Pogi din yun, di ba?
Ah, your younger brother.
Parang no choice, no? No choice.
Di siya bagay dyan.
Pakinggan rin, Tess. Pakirinig kanilang kanta.
Parang bagay kami.
Bagay kayo? Ikaw talaga.
I cannot with the younger brother. Even the younger brother is very gay. We love the younger brother. Can the staff not show up on FB Live? Thomas! Thomas!
Hindi na malapit na si Kuya.
Yes, you better flaunt your crown, bitch.
Sabi ko na nga ba, winner agad eh.
Ay, winner agad. Isa pa lang tayo, madam.
Uy, congrats ah.
Salamat. Buti nakapunta ko pa rin dito kahit busy ka.
Oo nga eh. Pero kahit busy ako, syempre gusto ko yung mapanood.
Nga pala, naka-check-in ka ba dito?
Oo. May shoot kasi ako bukas eh.
Grabe pala pag nanalo, no?
Oo.
Daming projects, daming ganap.
Ikaw na mismo ayos sa projects eh. Sobrang dami.
That is true.
Ikaw, gagawin ka ba?
Ako, hinihintay ko na lang si Madam Sara kasi may meeting siya ngayon eh.
Kapag naghihintay ka, gusto mo session tayo?
Session?
tayo?
What kind of session? Be specific. What kind of session?
Sige, pwede rin.
What kind of session? Training session?
May gusto sana ako itanong sa'yo.
An eating session, yes.
Ano mo siya naging kaibigan?
Jor. Si Jean? Oo, nakasama ko yung sa racketing model. Actually, mabait yun. Sa una lang talaga, hindi kami naging ka-close kasi alam mo na. Pero pag yun, naging ka-close mo, solid yun. Minsan pa nga, naalala ko, yung nag-casting kami, butas yung ganto ko. Tapos pinahiraman niya ako, di ba? Di naman niya responsibilidad na pahiraman ako, di ba? Di man katulad ng mayaman, tsaka mahirap na mamanipula.
Period.
Diba siya? O nagsasabi sa'yo. Tapos branded pa yun ha. Branded siya.
Branded! The emphasis on branded.
Ganun naman talaga yung mga mayayaman eh.
wala lang sa kanya yun.
Alam mo, kung ako sa'yo, kaibiganin mo yun. Pagtatagal ka dito sa industriyang to, kailangan mong ganun mga tao.
True.
Handa ka tulungan kahit anong mangyari.
Aside from having connections,
sa industriyang to, hindi mo alam kung sino yung totoo, peke. Pero kung tatagal ka naman dito, malalaman mo.
True.
Cheers.
And he's a real one. He truly is. He's working for his family, for himself, and for his dreams. He's a real one. Not a faker.
Jack, mauna muna ako. May kailangan lang akong puntahan.
Oh, sige, ingat ka.
Salamat sa time mo kahit sobrang busy mo.
Oo, basta ikaw. Lagi lang ako dito.
Thank you.
Ingat ka.
Uy, konti lang isa lang yan Baka lasing ka pag-uwi mo. Ingat.
Sige, ingat.
Brotherhood ng mga bakla, yes. When the gays
konti
get
lang
together,
yan,
stays
Jen
together.
and Jarrett, para hindi kayo ma-bloat.
Ay,
Bloat?
more. More pa sa akin, madam.
Ikaw pwede ka, JC. I'm so proud of you guys.
Thank you po.
Congratulations! Cheers! Cheers!
No cheers. No.
Hindi naman alak yan Soda lang yan. Sabi nila masama daw mag-celebrate kung walang alak.
Girl,
Asan yung
still
alak?
cheers! Cheers!
You're not allowed to drink, anak.
So you're baby-proofing the house now?
No. Actually, it's just gin-proofing. You should have self-discipline. 2 weeks lang naman
Nonsense. Ano?
Hey! Where are you going? Come back here!
Those pageants don't allow their contestants to drink alcohol? Kind of interesting. Just like how singers are not allowed to drink some certain liquids to take care of their voice.
Parang isang panaginip dahil sa'yo'y naniniwala.
You want some?
Ano yan?
It's clean. Gin.
It's
Di
gin.
ba bawal yan?
Daming rules ni Mom. Hindi ako makakasurvive ng pageant pag walang alcohol.
Kaya tama naman ang nanay mo. Tsaka, nakakasira kaya yan pag nasobrahan ka.
Ito na nga lang nagbibigay sa akin ng happiness. Pagbabawal niya pa.
Okay. Interesting.
Well, kailangan mo tiisin.
Bawat hakbang kasama ka, tatapatin ang oras na mabilis at ibabalik. Grabe ka. Feeling ko parang pelikula at ikaw.
The OST is OST, so I like the song.
Paraiso, kotong buhay, ikaw ang kahanap.
Nax? Artist?
Hindi ko masyadong mabilib. Talented talaga ako.
Ito ko naman Parang gusto ka rin magpa-sketch.
Papasketch ka.
Tingin mo bagay sa akin yung mga parang Titanic, ganyan.
Sa tingin mo, sexy ka? Ano ba yan?
Siksik.
Bahala ka nga dun.
Sige na, drawing mo na.
Ito na. Ngiti ka. Picturean kita.
Sige.
They're getting closer. My side couple. Or the other main couple. Brother people.
Madam, thank you so much talaga.
Of course, anytime.
Maraming salamat po talaga. Sana maka-work pa po namin kayo sa sunod. Sana kuhanin niyo pa rin po kami dalawa ni Ate Cheesy.
Ano naman?
Anyway,
They're still gonna meet,
lagay
that's
ko
for
muna po
sure.
sa car. Ito na.
Ay, Jared, meron sana akong request sa'yo. Well, it's more of a proposal. Kasi si Jin, he has this tendency to self-destruct, especially with alcohol.
Okay.
Kaya, kailangan pigilan mo siya.
Okay. I can see
Ako
it.
talaga, madam?
I can see it.
Bakit po?
Anong bakit? I think you could be best friends.
Sa bagay po, madam. Pero, yan po talagang si Jin, medyo... Sakit po talaga ng ulo yan eh. Tsaka, parang hirap-hirap niyang kaibiganin. Parang sobrang layo-layo ng loob ko sa kanya.
Befriend him! Kapag nakita mo siyang drinking, itago mo, itapon mo. I don't really care. Nabanggit nga pala sa akin ni Cheesy na may problema kayo sa renta. Alam mo, kapag naitawid ni Jin yung pageant without getting drunk or causing a scene, kahit matalo ka, ako nang bahala sa problema niyo.
Aww. We love the generosity.
Talaga po, madam?
Aww.
Babayaran niyo renta ng upa namin?
Of course! Why not?
Madam,
Just help Jin in return.
Maraming salamat po.
Alam mo, desperate na kasi ko eh. I just want to help him. So, will you help me help him?
So that's why he has to join the pageant so that he can stop doing alcoholism. Yay. I can see why.
So much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I cannot with Madam. Okay. We will see though if he'll get successful.
Yung TF mo pinaprocess pa sa bangko. Finalo up ko na rin yung premyo mo.
Ay, ganun. Kawawa naman po yung kapatid ko. Mapuputulan na daw po sila ng kuryente.
Actually, Jack,
No.
pwede ko namang abonohan yung TF mo eh.
No!
Talaga po?
No. I can already smell it. You have to...
Ano mabibigay mong kapalit?
Kapalit?
Ew. This fucking game is so disgusting. Oh, we'll see. We'll see in the next episode.
May babalik mo. Mr. Universe Royal Philippines! May babalik mo ba ang international crown sa Philippines?
Ba't ba gaga ka dyan? Anong date ba yung pupuntahan mo?
Nag-e-effort sila para sa pageant tapos ikaw wala ka man lang ginagawa dyan. Mag-push up ka para lumaki naman yung ano mo.
We love that. Anyways, that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 2 of Sashes and Hearts. Okay, another interesting episode. I'm actually loving the second couple now. You know, again, for those who don't know and who do not know, I really love the two of them on Haunted Hearts, even though it was a pain in the ass. So, you know. But I'm actually glad that they're now on a full-length series now. They'll be able to, you know, showcase more of their chemistry, how they work together, and that how they can, you know, really utilize their chemistry on screen because God, they look so fine. Like they look so fine to me. And I actually like the reasoning of why Jin is into the pageantry. Like why he should be in the world of pageants. Like I actually understand like the concern of the mother. Like no wonder the reason why Jin's mother is pushing him to like go in the pageantry so that he can stop intoxicating himself in alcohol. And that is a great way to like, you know, distract yourself from vices or, you know, illegal drugs or, you know, just alcoholism in general, but like joining pageantry since, you know, like his parents are in the pageant scene, so why not we can try doing pageantry? It's actually a great reasoning to like, you know, avoid the vices because it's better to win something by like competing into something rather than enjoying yourself with a lot of illegal vices and substances. And I'm very much not here for that. I am not here for that. But I actually understand that. And it's actually a great way to, you know, be a better person. So that, you know, not only Jin will be able to, you know, distract himself, but also to be a better person. Not just for himself, but also to Jared. Because I can already tell that their friendship / relationship is gonna blossom even further. So I'm excited to see how their relationship will turn out. Meanwhile, now we know that the one who sabotaged Jack is actually Thomas. Now, I cannot with them well. I cannot with them well in his manipulation 101. Like, I cannot with him. I cannot with that gay man. But unfortunately, that's how corruption works. Even in like pageants, I do hear, you know, some rumors, tea, even in like the biggest competitions in the world, like Miss Universe, Miss World, that there really is some corruption and toxicity going on behind the cameras, behind the glam of the pageant industry. So Lemuel better pay. He better pay the candidates because they worked hard for it. They made themselves confident on camera. They better get the paycheck, Lemuel. I'm telling you, or else you'll be sued. You'll be sued in jail. Like at this point, he should be in jail with a lot of like corruptions, crimes, and connections that he does with with the industry, because it's making the industry very toxic and unhealthy, not just for the stakeholders like him, but also to the contestants. Like, they're putting themselves at risk with these kind of people. So, Lemuel, Sir Lemuel, I'm telling you, you will be going in jail if you do not pay them. Okay? You better pay them. You better pay them. But, yeah. Overall, it was another cute episode. I do hope that when the truth comes out for both Thomas and Jack, they get to fix it. I know it will be plenty of drama, as what Oxen Films does usually. But I trust the gays. I trust the gays. And it's also interesting to see, you know, Jack and Jared being friends. It's actually a good thing to watch. So, yeah, I'm excited to see how things will go in the next episode. I'm just enjoying the series as it is. I'm not taking the series too seriously, because if I take it too seriously, it's gonna be unhealthy for me. So we'll just see how everything will turn out in the next episode. I am intrigued and excited to see how everything will turn out. But that will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy my reaction to episode 2 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you're watching this either on YouTube or my Patreon. If you guys had this video, give this video a huge thumbs up or a heart. And tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know over in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 3 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly, along with other current RMVLs, Shells, and RV content. So stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, so to speak, thank you all so much for watching, and see y'all next time. Bye-bye! Maraming pong salamat.